want to show y'all something that y'all can have in your soap studios. If you're a soap maker out there, that makes a very quick soap shred. If you want to make a confetti soap, or if you have some soap that's leftover soap, that's you know, soap doesn't expire, but if you have a leftover soap and you just want to get run through it and get rid of it and reuse it and maybe clear up some space on your drying racks, I'm going to show you something, a tool that you need to make it quick, easy, and you can have it done in a snap, and that is a salad shooter. Now, this is an old salad shooter, as you can tell by the box. I'm going to show y'all how to take this salad shooter and quickly shred your soap for confetti soap. Alright y'all, so with a salad shooter, you're actually going to get, I think, 2 blades is all you get with it. This one's actually never been opened, so we're going to open that right now. I'm going to show you the difference. Now this one has some soap already on it, so just overlook that for me, please. But this one is the actual grating blade. As you can see, it's a grater. Okay, this may be a little loud when I use this. I'm going to show you what that blade looks like. So this might be a little bit loud. This is the blade and not the grater. So we're going to put that in here. We're going to see what the curls look like. So with the soap blade, it comes out more like in chunks or pieces, and you can also use those too in your soap. It won't be confetti, but it will be you know, like you can put them in pieces, and it will be actually quite pretty with the little squares, with the little rectangles. You can make them in squares if you cut your slice a little thin. Then you'll have little colored squares like that to go in there, and that will be quite pretty too. It will be just like a chunkier confetti soap. Alright, now I'm going to switch the blades right quick, and I'm going to show you how the soap comes out when it's shredded. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to cut the volume down so it's not so loud on you guys, but this is how quick you can shred your soap. Okay, that's how quick you can shred your soap. Now I'm about to shred up a big pile of confetti soap in rainbow colors, and I will actually have a video on this, and you can click on that video to take you to that link. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.